Hello, dear friends. Have you ever walked into a room and immediately felt smaller than everyone else in that place in that room? For example, if you were a businessman and there was a conference there, and lot of other business people are sitting there for some seminar, for some conference, and you entered that room with other, there are already business people sitting there, and you felt smaller because of some insecurity in yourself, because you felt smaller because you compared yourself to other business people and felt they are more wiser, they are more amazing, they are more confident in their work, in their business, and they're earning more than you. You started judging yourself, you started creating all those thoughts, even though you don't know about them, about their background, about their business. But this was your pattern to feel small. And when you entered that room, you immediately felt less compared to them. So whether it is business conference, whether it is some job seminar, so place yourself in that. And if you are the person who feels small and you feel insecurity about anything that is there, making you feel small when you compare yourself, then this video is for you, because in this video I will tell you that how you can change your insecurity and attract success, abundance, confidence, so that you become the rich mindset and achieve lot of success, growth in your life. So hi, my name is Pratibha Shetge. I am a Ho'oponopono healer and a law of attraction coach, and welcome to my channel Mindfulness with Pratibha, where this channel is all about Ho'oponopono healing and law of attraction technique, where you can come, you can upgrade yourself, you can look out for these videos and upgrade your energy and rewire your subconscious mind and attract lot of abundance, growth in your life. And if you require quick faster results, then do join my VIP sessions, group sessions, or weekend workshops that can really change your life in a faster, quicker way. So having said that, let's now concentrate that how we can shift our energy, change ourselves from that insecurity feeling that is there inside us, that we compare with others, think that we are small, we are not good enough, and change this energy. Because insecurity silently destroys all the happiness, the money flow, the relationship, all the career related aspects, whether it is in your job or business, and that really does not give a lot of growth. In fact, we deteriorate with lot of mental disturbance going on because of this insecurity feeling. So let's heal this in today's video. So first of all, relax your energy, take a deep breath, and place your hands on your heart and start saying, I take 100% responsibility for all the insecurity feeling inside me. I'm sorry, dear universe, for creating this insecurity feeling, for hurting myself and the pain that I'm carrying because of this insecurity. I'm really sorry, universe. Please forgive me for all the wrong beliefs that I have inculcated in me, for not trusting myself, for comparing myself with others. Please forgive me for judging myself. I'm sorry, universe, for thinking myself too small and comparing with others. Please forgive me. Thank you, universe, for letting me know that I am important. I have all the knowledge for healing me right now. Thank you for giving me a ray of hope and also blessing me with all the good blessings that I already have, which I'm ignoring, all the knowledge that I have. Thank you, universe, for all your support, guidance, for all the success, growth that you're still providing me. I love myself. I love the peaceful way that I'm going in my life. Thank you, universe. I love and I accept and I just move ahead to attract growth and abundance in my life. Thank you, universe. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. And now start tapping and say, even though I feel so insecure about anything in my life, I still love and accept myself. I love and honor myself. I choose to release all the insecurity from my life. I choose to release all the insecurity from my work, from my business, from my job. I release all my comparison with others. I choose to release all the low energy from me. I choose to release all the low confidence from me. I choose to release all the fear and worries. I now choose to have lot of success and beliefs in myself. I choose to have lot of support in my life. I choose to be amazing in every path. I choose to be very successful. I choose growth. I choose lot of abundance. I choose to release all the fear and I choose to release all the low confidence. I now choose to have lot of support from everywhere, from support from people, from situation. I choose all the security in my life. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. And now take a deep breath. So when you do this with lot of good faith, trust, belief in yourself and remove all the insecurity, start believing, trusting, go step by step, do things that you feel right, take some guidance from mentors, coaches that can really help you, and you move ahead with your pace, with your own style, and you will see all the insecurity being vanished, and with lot of security in your thoughts, in your actions, you are growing, you're moving ahead, you are attracting growth, abundance and success. So I hope this video was valuable to you. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such beautiful content. Thank you.